I'm Emily, and I'm going to show you how to register your domain at GoDaddy. Enter the domain you want and select Search Domain to see if it's available. If you're planning to expand your brand in the future, you might want to grab some additional domains. You have some options that help you protect your personal information and make the most of your domain. This is the Purchase Summary page. You can choose with this dropdown how many years you would like to pay for the domain up front. Choose View All Promo Codes to see all of the current offers. And if you have a promo code, don't forget to use it. Looks good, I'm ready to pay. If you already have an account, choose Sign In. If you don't have an existing account, you can create an account with GoDaddy using your Facebook, Google account, or email address. This may sound obvious, but make sure you have your domain spelled right. This is your last chance to change it, and we really want to make sure you're getting the one you want. And that's it. You've registered your domain at GoDaddy.